Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Kiripiti pudding. This simple recipe uses common ingredients you likely have on hand, making it a perfect quick dessert. We'll start by preparing our base ingredients, ensuring everything is ready for a smooth cooking process. This method is designed for ease and delicious results, so let's get started with gathering what we need. Next, let's combine our ingredients to form the pudding base. Start by dissolving 10 tablespoons of sugar in 1 liter of warm water, then slowly incorporate 6 tablespoons of milk powder. It's important to whisk thoroughly to prevent any lumps. Finally, gently stir in 4 tablespoons of corn flour, ensuring a smooth, consistent mixture for the best pudding texture. Now it's time to cook our pudding. Transfer the mixture to a saucepan and heat it over a medium-low flame. Stir constantly to prevent sticking and ensure even cooking. Within about 5 to 7 minutes, you'll notice it thickening into a beautiful, creamy custard. Keep stirring until it reaches that perfect consistency, ready for the next step. Once cooked, pour your delicious kiripiti pudding into a serving dish or individual molds. Allow it to cool slightly before refrigerating for at least 2 hours, or until fully set. This chilling time is crucial for achieving the perfect firm texture. Enjoy your homemade treat. Also, remember to check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals we've found for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.